Alright, today we're going to be adding some color to this analog image. This one was taken on Portra 400 film, and we got it back and we just want to add the colors using a free Lightroom preset and also use some professional presets and profiles. Again, this is a Portra 400 analog photo. You can already see the grain and the shadows. So let's test out our free preset before and after. Just add some nice color to our analog photo. This preset will work on any raw photo as well. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the creative flow, and there's two different ways we can edit this photo. We've got all our presets here, and down here we have the Kodak inspired presets. These include grain, but then we also have profiles. So let's take a look at the presets first. Just sort of match the colors, and these are adjustable. So let's go with, I can actually go with this 800, and you can see it's adding more grain and color. Give that a click, and here we have the profile as well, so we can use the profile to also increase the color. Right now it's at 0, but we're going to take a look at the profile separately. Let's remove the grain. I'm going to go to FX, and this just takes out the preset grain. So now I'm just going to reset the image, and let's go the other way. So we're going to use a profile, and this way we're not competing with the grain that's already there in the photo. So now we've opened up our profiles. We've got quite a few Kodak inspired, and we can just use the color profile to add a bit more color to the photos. Let's choose a different one here. So I'm liking this 800. There we go. So we can go all the way down and just dial it in to see where it works best for your photo. Here we haven't added any more new grain. We're just adding the color in a profile form. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before. And here's after. Really beautiful color using our Lightroom profile. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Portra Color that you can use on any raw file as well. And I'll put a link to the creative flow, which includes over 1200 Lightroom presets and 1200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.